इधर राइट अरे ये भी बना बड़ा अगला जो है ये भी देखो 3 नंबर कोच में ही लीजिए माउंटेन वॉरफेयर हाल में मुझे उतर आप ले पाओगे आप ले लेना उसके आगे में
This base plays a very important role for undertaking operations in this area. This base is fully cleared for all contingencies and for all combat operations and support operations that are planned to be undertaken in this area.
Every air warrior at this base, and not only this base, across the entire Indian Air Force is fully trained and capable to meet all the challenges. Our Josh has always been high and touching the sky with glory.
The Indian Air Force is fully prepared for operations and ready to meet all the challenges. The air power is a very important aspect of war fighting and even more relevant today. The air power will play a very crucial role in this area, both in combat and support roles. We have all the resources in terms of men and equipment to meet all the challenges. The Indian Air Force is ready in all aspects to undertake all operational tasks and for providing requisite support for military operations.